website login area. That is the WP login page. Now my web address source is meditstest.00webhostapp.com. Likewise, if you made a WordPress website, go to that domain and slash WP login area. Then you will be prompted to enter your admin and your password, which you gave yesterday. Then click the login button. Now, suddenly, if you can't, if you couldn't hear me, please let me know. Okay. Otherwise, it will be said. Okay. Now we are in the dashboard of the WordPress. Today's lesson is about the introduction to the dashboard and the controlling area, and about the post, media, pages, and categories, comments, those sections. It will be that the later part will be covered in 2 days. Okay, today day 2 and day 3. Okay. Now, have you logged in into your dashboard? Please raise your hands so that we can proceed quickly. Okay. Okay. I think you know how to raise your hand. It is in the in your, you call the participant area below. Okay. A lot of you. Okay. Then shall we start the lesson? Now, I think you can see my mouse pointer. Now this is the dashboard area. I'll start from the left corner. This is the WordPress symbol button. When you go over that button, you can see a menu which is about. Okay, if you click this about WordPress, you can go to the about WordPress, about the information about the current version of WordPress and all. Then this is the link for the this second link is for the WordPress.org, and this something important is this documentation. I think you can go to that documentation page. Documentation is when it comes to softwares and web and development things, softwares and everything. The documentation is like the guide handbook. අපි ගෙදරට මොකක් කර ටීවී එකක් ගත්තාම manual එකක් හම් වෙනවා like that. And this is the manual of this software. Okay, the WordPress software. Yesterday I told you that WordPress is a software. So this documentation area contains the about getting started, requirements, versions, and how do you install it, and basic usages and everything. And you can learn and you can read and learn anything, and troubleshooting methods, advanced topics, security, and everything. Okay, it's an important link. Then let's go back to the WordPress dashboard. And you can see the support button and feedback. You can go out there and learn. Then this is this home button. When you click that button, you can go to your website or blog, whatever you may can go. Now what we have created, the default creation is seen like this. Okay, if we click the back button, you will go back to the dashboard, or else if you go over this area, this MEDITS test or whatever name you gave to your WordPress blog, you can hover over that one and click the dashboard and go back to the dashboard. Then this button, this is showing the new comments. If you are posting blog post and enabling commenting, when someone has commented on your post, then that will be shown like number of like notification in your phone. It will be shown here. Then this the new this button new. You can this is a shortcut. Okay, you can go to the post media page, users, shortcuts. This WP forms is not a default one. It is due to some plugin installed uh, from the from this our WordPress installation. If you do a normal installation without in a, like server like a 00 web host, you will not see something like that. Okay, that is due to a plugin. Then insights is when you click the insight, we have to, that is also due to another third-party plugin. Insight will show the number of uh, visitors to a site. Okay, this in the right hand corner you can see your admin account. If you click this, you can go to admin account, and if you click the edit profile, you can edit your profile. This thing this is just a add like banner. You can close it, and this is the profile area. uh, Here you can see some settings. We'll be discussing on them in a separate day. There are a lot of settings. Okay, let's go back to the dashboard. This area, this dashboard area, uh, first this is this welcome to the WordPress part. It is also giving some new tips when you begin. New tips and add an page, like more actions, steps, like things. Okay, and in the above part, this is screen options. You can control what you see. This ph, if you untick this, you can see that part was hidden. That if you tick that, you can see like 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 that. You can control what you see in your dashboard. You can, if you unselect all, nothing will be shown here. This is like your desktop. Okay, these are like desktop shortcuts. I think then you can drag and you can put things here. If you click, you click like site health status, then your site health status will be shown here. I think that is about the this dashboard main area. And always you can close these things, and this is a notification. This neglect that because we are not installing that that plugin yet. And this now we are in the dashboard home. Now this one is the updates area. If you go to that area, if there are updates, they will be shown here. If there are plugin updates, they will be shown here. Now above that is the WordPress update. If there are WordPress update, you have to just click the update button, and we can even reinstall WordPress. Now I am not going to do that now. And even themes updates are here, and translation updates like that. Now don't get misunderstand that if you are clicking the update button, that those things are not downloaded into your computer. That is downloaded into the computer which where we have installed the WordPress. Okay, that is your web server, and uh, you will not you will not have to spend data for that. Okay, now if you have installed WordPress in your computer, then all those packages will be downloaded into your computer. Okay, since we have installed WordPress in a web hosting service, these things are not downloaded into your computer, but they are downloaded to our web server, and they will be installed automatically. Okay, now I'll give a brief introduction about these sections. This is the post section. We'll be covering that today. Then this is media pages. Media is the now we can upload your photos, videos, audio, and anything. Uh, Now that like the phone gallery, the gallery in your phone. This is the media gallery of the WordPress website. These are the pages. You can customize pages, add pages, all pages like things are here. And the comment section. This is the this in this area you can approve and unapprove comments like that. And the appearance area you can customize themes, widgets like that. We'll be covering in a separate day. And plugins is a very powerful feature in WordPress. We'll be covering that. And the users means admins, editors. You can make editors, subscribers, and you can give any role to any member, user registration. There are a lot of things. And these are tools section, available tools, importing, exporting, site tags, like lot of things. And settings. This is the settings area. It has several categories. We'll be discussing them. And that's all for the basic introduction. I think shall we start by going to the post now in this section. Now post are the things you post in your like blog post. We can make post and post them in your and publish them in your website. Let's post some. Add new post. Click that new post. Then you will be directed to the text editor. This is the basic text editor, which is now it is called the block editor. Let's click get started. Here you can add the title. I am adding a title. Okay, so neglect this red line. That is not a part due to any error in WordPress. That is due to some plugin I am using. Okay, now here if you click the plus button, now there are several elements. If you want to start a paragraph, you can click here or just type like this, like hello, this is a test page. Now when you finish typing, this part will show up. Then I'll explain what is this. You can change the block style from this. You can make this a list like a quote. You can, I think you can see the preview how it, if we change into a list, it will be like this. And also we can make it like columns, like 2 columns, 3 columns. Then quotes. Sorry. Now, and also you can make a heading. Headings are the like topics, and you can select heading. This is just like heading 1, heading 2. I think you are familiar with this, just like in word precision softwares like Microsoft Word. The various like subheadings, you can select any size you want. I'll be making this again paragraph. Also, you can add photos. Okay, not only paragraphs, list. You can select the browse all button. Then it will be move to this. You can add images, videos, links. If you select gallery and media gallery, you can upload any photo. I'm not going to upload a photo now. You can upload a photo, video, and also if you want to add some, I explain this the list part. Then about tables, you can add tables. I think you can see uh, in the right hand side when how it is shown. Now you can even add audios to your post and videos and even links, buttons, then the columns, inline post, like lot of things. Okay, and we can embed the like YouTube, Spotify, like now post from Twitter. If you click this and enter the URL of a tweet and press the embed button, that will be embedded here. Also, let's go below and add new one. Go to browse all. Now, even a YouTube video, just you have to enter the YouTube URL and you will see. Let's add the YouTube video and wait. Okay, we'll be adding a YouTube video now. I have posted screen sharing. Now I'll unpause. Now I think now you can see my screen. Now I have pasted the YouTube URL. Then select the embed button and it will be embedded. Like there were settings for the each setting for each block, like bolding, italics, making this a link, and inline images, adding inline images. Inline images like adding a image just here in line with this the sentence. Superscript, subscript. Even for these things, if you just click this, there are settings. Okay. You can edit it, copy it, like that. Okay. Now, did you understand? I think these parts are very easy. Uh, if you have any question up to now, please ask. I didn't discuss all the blocks types. There are a lot of blocks types. You should learn them, just trying them. I just talked on the separate types. You can test them your own. It will be fun. There are a lot of blocks, and even you can add more blocks by installing plugins. There are a lot of things you can do. We'll be discussing them when we are learning plugins. Do you have any other question regarding up to now? Can you even chat? Send a chat. Okay. Okay, then if not, we'll proceed into the other part. Now look at the right hand side. Now here in this, let's learn something about this post setting. Here you can see the visibility. Now this visibility part is, now you can select make it like public, visible to everyone. If we post this, like let's think like this, and if we post this it will be visible to everyone. If it uh, if you click the private option, only visible to site admins and editors. You can make it even password protected. Then when when someone goes to the link and before showing the post, they will be asked to enter the password. Okay. Then the publish area, you can give the setting. You can schedule the post uh, like that, and set it. You have to select time ahead, and also can reset here. That will come immediately. Also, while you are editing the post, if you have any other work and want to close the editor, you can just click the save draft. It will be saved, and you can see. Well, if you go to the pages, the post, sorry, post area, you can see the our draft post like this. If you click the edit button, you will be redirected to the WordPress post editor. Now, then then you can pin the post in the top of your blog by selecting this. This pending review is if you are just an editor and admin has to approve your post before publishing, you can you have to select this. Also, if you want to delete the post, you can delete from here. Uh, then the permalink. Now this is very important thing. Now, now this is the uh, address which will be used for your post. Now, if this is the now we look at this view post part. This will be the complete web address of your post. If we change this by deleting this, edit WordPress. Now it will be changed to this. So it will be very important for search engine optimization, like things to entering a good URL slug. So we and also if you enter these URLs in languages like Sinhala, the web browsers, and when you are sharing the link, those letters will not be shown and like English letters, just like symbols. Okay, so it is best to use the URLs and permalinks in English. Now this is the categories part. Now this is that by default this post is uncategorized. You can make a new category here. Uh, let's make a category called test. And this parent category option is like this is the parent category. When you select that new category, it will be added. Now this is a test. Uh, now this post is under the test category. You can even make if you let's make another category like in. So this is our category, and you can select a parent category for that, like test. Now you can see now this is under this. Now I'll give an example. Let's think now we are making a post about non-communicable diseases. For a say let's say diabetes. Now we can make a NCD, the non-communicable diseases category for our blog, and also a diabetic category, diabetes, under the NCD, like that. This is the this is the basis of this parent category and things. Then the tags. Tags are also very important. We are for search engine optimization, and it will be easy to arrange things in your blog goals. If we are if we if the you can if let's see now our post is about WordPress course. No, we can give a tag like WordPress. It is best to use related tags. Now if we are making a WordPress course post and adding a tag like cat, that they are not related, no, so it is not good to use such things. If you want to focus more, if you want to focus your post to more audience, you have to give a related text. Even in YouTube, this is the basic thing. And you can add a featured image. Now featured image is like an image now that will be shown with the title in your blog. Let's try to add the featured image. Select the featured image and select go to the select file and you can upload. Now I'll be uploading a photo. Just click the select file, then it will be opening your file explorer. Now when it is uploaded, it will be shown like this. You can type text and type title, and if you want to type a caption, you can type it here, description, and the URL of that file. Then if you select the featured image, it will be shown like this. You can even replace, remove, the settings are there. Then if you click the publish button, this post will be published. Now let's go to this view post and we can see the post in our website. Now this is the our post. Now this is very ugly because we haven't made that good because it was just test post. I think you can try now making post. Okay, someone is in the chat. Okay, wait for me. Okay, now that's how that's the way now you can make a post. Okay, now here in the top bar you can go again to the edit post area and even you can make switch that post into a draft also. And here this button also can be used to add blocks. I think when you are coming tomorrow, uh, we'll be sharing your uh, your post, and you can email your email uh, into infomedits at gmail.com your post address, then we can see. Okay, if I am leaving without saving, it will give an error like that. If you can update, that other thing is now if you change something like this, and you can update, it will be automatically updated into your post. Then let's go back to the post. Now here in the post, you can see the post we have already posted in our blog. Here you can see the quick edit, bin and view. When you click view, you will go to the your post. Bin, it will be deleted. Quick edit, you click the quick edit, you can change the title of the post, slug, the date of published, and you can add a password. You can manage the categories and even the template. We'll be discussing about templates in coming day. And you can select whether you are allowing comments, allowing pings. What are pings? Pings are like mentioning that post in another mentioning this post in a comment of another post. Okay, and you can change the published. You can change the status of the post like published, pending review like draft, and also you can make this post sticky. That is like pinning. That like make this post pin to the top of your blog. You can update. Now this is the comment section. Now if someone has commented on our post, you can see here like this, and go to the comment. Now we can unnap. Now by default this is a test comment by the software itself. Now we can unapprove. When you unapprove, it will go like that. Then that will be shown in the pending section. You can approve, reply, quick edit, spam, and mark it as a spam. Usually, when you make a fresh WordPress website, uh, there will be a lot of spam comments. There are ways to block those spam comments. I'll be teaching you on how to do that, and you can even approve, and you can even delete them. Okay, in the approve section now approved comments can be seen. Now the post section, now we have discussed that new. Then the categories, you can go. Now you can manage categories from here also. Now in that previously we entered categories in our post, but here also we can make a new category. Let's make a new category called video, and you can select a slug for the category video, and you can even select a parent category, and I am making this as a parent category. Okay, and select add new category, and the new category will be displayed here. Then now if you can go to now this, you can easily go to this category. It's just like a page. If you click view, now look at the web address, MEDITS your category / video. If you click NCD, it will go to nothing found because we haven't posted anything under that category. If you go to test, I think we have posted something under test. You can see our post, our first post. These now these things are like very ugly. I'll be teaching you how to make a very good looking website very soon. Then let's go back to the dashboard. And the text, that's the last setting under the post. Text, you can make text here. This is just like the word, the category thing. You can make a, let's say make a tag called cat, the slug cat. Add the new tag. Now this is the your tag. You can post for you can publish post under this tag. Okay. Now that's all for the post. I think we'll be discussing the other two parts tomorrow, and when you are coming tomorrow, please. Okay, sorry. There's a chat. If we embed videos directly from YouTube, then uh, no. Some in some videos, now this this is asking that if we embed videos directly from YouTube, there are not any copyrighted claims. Yes, there can be now when we publishing videos to the YouTube, user can make settings like to what do you call, to prevent from embedding. So if user has selected the settings, uh, we cannot what do you call, we cannot embed that video. And also if user has written like that in the description, or it is or if we are using without the knowledge of the user, now that that user can claim copyright. But now that person only can ask you to remove that, and there is no legal things related to the WordPress. Because but in our country there are no such laws. But as a good practice, we should not use copyrighted things in our post. If you have gain what you call the right to post from that user, you can use it. Okay. Now if you have any other questions, please uh, make put them in the chat box. Okay, now when you are coming tomorrow, uh, uh, please come with a good post, what with whatever topic. It, I don't need just a topic, but something that to show that you have learned something. And also go through the other settings. Don't wait for me to teach, and everything you have to learn by yourself. Just I am showing the basic introduction in each part. Okay. Now, and also after the at the end of the this course, we'll be selecting. At the 10th day, we are giving an assignment to make a best website like or blog, and we'll be selecting three people, and make them webmasters. And this is a good chance to show your uh, colors. So please learn this and you learn by your own. And if you have any question, you can always ask me, and you can email us from infomedits@gmail.com. And also you can ask in the during the lessons. uh, Now if you have any other questions, please ask before we can wind up the session.